Hi friends, hope you all are fine and good. This is DIY craft videos. In this video you will see recycle bottle craft ideas with caps or with bottles. Please watch my full video till end. I really hope that you really like all the ideas that I am going to share with you. Do you have a lot of plastic bottles in your garage? Do not rush to throw them away, they can be useful. You can make ottoman out of bottles, various dispensers and stands, vases, salt shakers, organizers, kitchen gadgets, camping, wash stand, broom, and even a life jacket. These all are very unique and very pretty ideas. What you can make with an empty bottle. If you watch my full video till end, you will see almost 70 plus ideas of recycling plastic bottles, craft ideas. You can easily make bird feeder, egg yolk separator. There is no way when we throw anything away, it must go somewhere. We live in a world where many of our everyday items are disposable, from cutlery to carrier bags. We throw away a lot of items that are harmful to the environment if not recycled properly. An effective way to do our part is to buy reusable, sustainably sourced items and to reuse or recycle the disposable items we have. Single-use plastic bottles are designed for exactly that. Single use. It's not safe to reuse single-use plastic bottles for drinking. While most plastic bottles are recyclable, there are also lots of great ways you can reuse them for things other than drinking. Bird feeder, terrarium, egg yolk separator, bottle top bag seal, piggy bank, watering containers, hanging baskets, pencil case. And wind spiral mobile, jewelry stand, hanging bottle garden, food storage, garage storage, flower paint stamp, animal planters, etc. These are very beautiful and very pretty DIY recycle ideas. I really hope that you really enjoyed it. Please, if you have any question or if you have any request, please let me know in comment section. In my next video, you will see many other craft ideas. You can use empty tins, and for planters you can easily use these bottles at home, and easily make these things at home for your home decor, for your garden decoration, for floor decoration. So guys, I really hope that you really enjoying my video. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Watch my full video till end. I really hope that you really enjoying all the ideas that I shared with you. Thank you so much guys. God bless you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Love you all.